All right, what's going on? All right, so I want to make a video about the current situation in crypto. Okay, this is what it's looking like now for Nemesis DAO, and this is one of the coins that I invested into, and this is the other one that I talk about. Now I'm not crazy about those tokens; those just happen to be DAO tokens that I bought. I just happened to buy them just to buy them. Okay. So now I want, but Invictus is interesting because it's in Solana. Um, that's the reason why I bought it. But I want to kind of like talk about something so people can just think about this for a minute. Whenever I saw a documentary a long time ago, and it was about stocks, and the guy was talking basically that they destroy the stocks to a point where you lose all faith, complete faith, and you regret it so bad. You regret it so bad that you know, even the most both the most the even if you believed in it the most, you're like, wow, this is I can't believe I was wrong. I turned out to be wrong. So you can end up selling. Okay, uh, I just want you to think about that. Like, whenever the crypto market crashes, it's everything that crashes. If that doesn't if that doesn't sound off the manipulation alarm, then I don't know what will. It's completely manipulated. I don't care. That's cool. Whatever. So, but my point is that it's completely manipulated to psychologically enable you to think at times like this that, oh snap, I gotta sell. I have to sell or I'll lose it all. Because the big whales, the billionaire whales, wherever's behind the manipulation, everything comes down at once. Except for a couple of tokens. You know what I mean? Like, maybe they don't want to, I don't know. They don't want nothing to do with that. I don't know, whatever. You know. But everything comes down at once. The point is that you don't want to you want to, just keep in mind that this stuff is heavily manipulated. It's heavily manipulated. It's going to do this. It's almost designed to do this. It's gonna come down to the point where your mind is going to snap. Like, it's supposed to break your mind so that you can sell it. And that's it, man. It's just a psychological bear market. Bear markets are psychological, you know? But after witnessing, I wasn't in crypto in 2013. I wasn't in crypto when Bitcoin, I guess it went from $100 to $2 at one point. Can you believe that? Uh, can you believe the psychological mind fuck that is? And then people are like, oh, this is worthless. Okay, well, Bitcoin just went from 79 to 30. It's a piece of shit, right? It's worthless. That's the psychological mind fuck. Go ahead and sell. So go ahead and sell. Then they're gonna fucking buy in. It's a psychological game. That's all it is. This entire bull market's a psychological game. You can't give a fuck about $100,000 that you put in, and now it's fucking 30 grand. Can't give a fuck about that. Let me explain why. So let's say you got 30,000. Now that 30,000, 100 went to 30. Well, you bought Bitcoin at 70,000, or excuse me, at 68 or whatever fuck all time high. Why do you give a fuck that it went to 30? If you know that Bitcoin has the potential to hit 500,000 or 1,000,000. It doesn't really matter when you buy in, if you believe that, which you should, given the track record. Bitcoin does nothing but go up. It has done nothing but gone up since its inception, since 2009, up. Now it does have. Now what happens is it goes up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, higher lows. That's what you have. So at the end of the day, there's nothing to be like worried about. Of course, from the all-time high, you could have an 80% drop, and you could have lost all your money. But you really didn't lose all your money, because you don't lose until you sell. That's the thing. You don't lose until you sell. What's happening now is like, it's another great buy opportunity. But you're like, oh, what the fuck? I already spent 100 grand. I'm not gonna buy it now. Fuck that. Well, no. Then you can't spend. If you can't spend another 100 grand, then shut the fuck up and hold, bitch. Because this is a fucking mind fuck right now. Okay, it's just the way it is. Now I've seen it for myself. I did get mind fucked twice. I vowed to never ever get mind fucked again. In 2018, of course, the first time messing around with fucking cryptocurrency. I never played with stocks neither, so I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. I bought $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. It goes fucking down. I sell. You know what I mean? Now imagine, like, that's happening throughout the fucking world right now. Okay, and if you look at Bitcoin, it's easy. It's not like stocks. It's easy. If you look at the fucking chart from the beginning, you can figure out that it's gonna drop this much. I want a $10,000 Bitcoin. Why the fuck not? Why the fuck not? Now I don't think it's gonna go to 10. It could go to 20, because that's big resistance. That's a big ass resistance. Whatever, 20,000. 10. Fuck it. Buy. You could buy $10,000 Bitcoin. I'm sure people got $10,000. Now, what are you telling me to buy a $10,000 Bitcoin for? Oh, because statistically, it could hit $1 million. So why wouldn't you? All right. Everything in the market is manipulated. That's why everything goes down at this like heavily like it's doing. Now a lot of coins aren't. I don't know too much. Maybe they're fucking selling that to pump these other coins. Who the fuck knows? But just know that it's a psychological mind fuck. That's all this whole thing is. It's just psychological mind fuck. You have nothing to worry about. You have nothing to worry about. You have not lost anything, really. If anything, you gained an opportunity to buy more. And if you don't have the opportunity because you already bought high, then just fucking hold it. Because when you sell, that's it. Your chances of winning are 0 versus when you hold, you're 50-50 or more. You can make money. Right now you sell, that's it. That's it. You sell, that's it. What are you gonna do? Buy higher or what? You can buy lower, but why would you take that risk? I don't know. That's just my 2 cents. Just remember, there's a psychological mind fuck. It's a true mind fucker, like no other. So once you realize that, you'll never sell. You'll be like, good. You become fucking bulletproof from selling. There's just no way you'll sell. You could be like, that's okay. Oh, Bitcoin, what? 20,010? I'm good. I'm down 90%. So what? All right, that's it. $20,000 to 3 back in 2018. Why would you sell? All right, that's all I wanted to say. If you got any please comment below. Share the video, like it, and subscribe. Peace.